Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. My size come and go. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. My size come and go.
What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making. Look at this. She knows she's not allowed in the kitchen.
Get up.
What are you doing, Miss Thing?
Go lay down.
So
It's your bedtime.
today we're going to be making, or tonight, because it's kind of late.
Yeah, it's very late.
Wow.
12 at night.
Yowza. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a very long day. Tonight we're going to show you guys how to reuse or recycle old candles. So, you know how you buy a candle and then there's like a little bit of wax left over? Well, we're going to show you how to reuse this little bit here and how to make like pretty much a new candle from scratch. We have our old candles over here and these glass jars that we bought from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, from Hobby Lobby. These were the candles that my mom had purchased from Z Gallery way back when. I've left them outside and Arturo is now carving out the nasty parts of the candles. The top, as you can see, is all like brown and like, I'm guessing it's like stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
And that's all of the nasty stuff. So we're going to cut the wax out of the candles and then melt them in the microwave in this little Pyrex jar. And then we also got the wicks from Hobby Lobby as well. Total of like $25 really to recycle and make your own two very big candles. We got a lot of the wax out of one candle already and some from this one here. So now we're going to heat this in the oven. In the microwave. I'm just gonna put maybe 2 minutes. While that's heating, this is a jar from one of the candles I've scooped the remaining wax out of. Right now I'm letting it sit in some water because we can also reuse these here jars. So I'm not seeing anything happen, and I put it on for a whole 2 minutes. We're at 23 seconds now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a whole minute, maybe 2 more minutes onto that. About 30 seconds left. I'm gonna take it out and like stir it. Oh, shiznit. That glass is hot to the touch. These bigger chunks here are taking quite the time to melt down, so I'm gonna try to break them up into smaller pieces here. So we added some more bits and pieces to the mixture. We're gonna pop it in for another, I don't know, 5 minutes. So let's just clear this. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So it hasn't been the full 5 minutes yet, but this is melting beautifully, okay? But since this candle is really big, I've gone ahead and decided that we may need to speed this up a bit more. So I've filled this pot up here with some water. I put it on high so it'll start boiling. And I put this little saucepan right on top so that we can start melting our wax through the stove and microwave so that we could just speed this process up a bit, since this is, as I said, a huge, gigantic candle. Look at all that's melted. So now I want to flip one of these over already and start pouring some of that wax in there after I dry them. I forgot about the wick.
She poured the wax all the way right there. Then I just grabbed some tape. Just taped it right there. And grab the wick so it stays in one place until it dries.
We have our big chunks of wax out here on top of this pan, waiting to melt. And then we have more wax in our Pyrex jar. Ooh, oddly satisfying. So our mixture here is melting pretty fast. This is the second round of 5 minutes that this Pyrex is going on. And I messed with the wick. I thought it was like tilting a bit, so I tried to fix it. I'm so sorry.
Leave it.
Alright.
Just don't touch it.
This has worked out very well, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the remainder bits, throw everything in with that. Look at that. Maybe all that won't fit in there. It won't. So what we're gonna have to do is pour some of this wax inside of our already hardening candle here. Really don't want to mess up the wick. So this remaining bit I'm going to throw into the pot there. We're putting the candle in the fridge so that the wax can dry a bit faster. Okay, so I'm going to take my wick and string it through this here metal holder.
Right there. Here she comes.
Stop this now. That's looking beautiful. Alright guys, so this is dried up. This is our other candle here. This is the one Arturo was working on. Looks like a mug. A mug on a plate or something. It's pretty neat. A little craftsman over here. Oh my gosh. That is nice. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe, please, and
Don't forget to click on that bell for notifications.
ding!
Okay.
That ding!
Wait, okay.
You gotta say ding! That's special, way.
To receive notifications every time we post. Also, leave a comment down below. So wait, what did we say? We said like. Don't forget. I said don't forget to like, comment, like, subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we'll say like, subscribe.
No, it's like, comment, and
No. We're gonna say like.
So
wait, it's comment, like,
because
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Like, subscribe.
And don't forget to comment.
Ah! You gotta go with the flow.
Alright.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Like,
subscribe,
and don't forget to comment.
Something down below.
1, 2.
All around me
3.
are familiar places. Like, subscribe,
and don't forget to comment.
something down below in order to enter to win this here LED accelerator light for the Bright On by Smile Direct Club. If there's something that you'd like to see from us in the future, just leave that in the comment section down below.
Like, subscribe, and comment so you can get the bright smile. Like this. I picked.